Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Me World channel. Today I'll be making some barbecue chicken for you with mashed potatoes and mixed veg. Here's the ingredients that I'll be using today. I'll be using a whole chicken for this recipe, guys, so stay tuned. Now it's time to wash our chicken in some vinegar and lime slices, and then we're gonna rinse that about 3 times before cutting it up and getting our seasoning mixture done. So I am using larger pieces of the chicken today, guys. I will be separating the legs from the thigh, the wing from the breast, and once that's all done, I will prepare my seasoning mixture. Now I will be using some Clubhouse barbecue chicken seasoning, about 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of everything else. So my Mrs. Dash, my lawrys, my black pepper, my onion powder, and also my garlic powder and paprika. And I will be crushing up 6 pimento seeds to add to the mixture as well. Now to cut up my fridge ingredients. So I will be cutting up 1 clove of garlic, a sprig of thyme, I'll just add that in, then 3 slices of Scotch bonnet pepper, guys, and that's my sweet pepper, guys. I harvested that from my garden yesterday. I'm so happy and proud of it. It smells delicious. I just can't wait to eat it. Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy. Now I'll be cutting up my ginger, about 4 to 5 slices of that, and then half of the tomato. I'll be cutting them up small, some for the seasoning as well as some for the sauce. And then, guys, I will be cutting up my onion just into 4 wedges once I get the skin off. Now it's time to cut up our scallion, guys. Well, this is green onion. In Jamaica, it's scallion. That's what we call it. It has the red tip at the top. And the taste is a bit different. It's a bit stronger, the one in Jamaica. But I am using a scissors to cut up my green onion today. And the reason I'm doing that is so that I could use some for the garnish, because it gives that nice crisp look. And I like to just top off the food with that, as well as to add that in for my seasoning, guys. So once I get that all done, I'm going to add it onto my chicken, as well as 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of browning. And then I'll be adding on my dry ingredients as well onto the chicken and massaging that in. After I massage that in, guys, I will be poking some holes into the chicken, adding more seasoning and massaging that really well inside, just to make sure it's all ready to be put in the oven to be baked. So for my barbecue chicken, what I usually do, I bake it first for about 45 minutes to an hour. Once that is done, then I paint on the barbecue sauce onto my chicken. So first I let that bake for about half an hour. Once that's baked for half an hour, then I flip the chicken on the other side and I paint it again with the barbecue sauce. And then I let it cook for the remainder of half an hour. And then once that's done, I just get ready to serve, guys. So now I'm just going to be adding in the chicken into my glass dish for baking. So once I fit everything in, I will be making my sauce after, guys. So it's time to put the chicken in. Now it's time to make the sauce. So I am using the same container that I used to season up the chicken. I am using some honey garlic sauce from Diana. That's the brand of it, Diana sauce. And the flavor is honey garlic. And then I added in some Kraft barbecue sauce and some soya sauce, 1 tablespoon, as well as half tablespoon of browning. And I'm using 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. As well, you saw me adding in some ketchup as well, guys. Then I'm going to mix that all together. I set it aside and just let the chicken cook for about, as I mentioned before, 45 minutes to an hour. Then I'm going to paint the chicken. Once I paint the chicken, guys, again, I'm going to make that bake for half an hour. And then I flip the chicken and then I paint it again. And once that's painted, guys, then you're on your way to plating your chicken, guys. And that's the end result, guys. Oh my goodness, this chicken was so delicious, guys. And now that's the chicken plated on the mashed potato with my asparagus, my boiled corn, as well as my sugar snap peas. And then I added in some yellow and red sweet peppers, guys. Oh my gosh, this dish was so delicious, guys. Let me know how you guys do your barbecue chicken. Maybe you guys do it differently. And I'm willing to try new dishes, guys. Like, my family loves to try new dishes. So let me know your recipes too. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.